Hi, in this video, let's going to talk about MyICP6, which is an web application development using some Angular APIs. So, coming to the source code, um, this is my index HTML, which is a basic HTML with an app root. Later on, coming to the app page, I've created three separate folders for three different categories in the web application. So the first one is the header, in which the header code, which has a nav bar, which I have developed from an using some bootstrap stylings and a routing link to the pages which I wanna show up as I click on them. And later on, it's the home page, and it's the starting page of the my web application, which has some basic HTML page with an decent home visitor using a home for place, like using some concepts according to some API pages and all. And this is the CSS I have done for that. And this is the TS page for the home based thing, in which and later on, this is the search recipe page, which is the main page of our ICP, in which this contains two blocks. One is end page of where you search for the recipes, and the other is search for the restaurants nearby. So I have included both the tasks in just one a single website or web application. So you can see this tag shows the recipe searches, and this is the restaurants by. And I've created some columns using some bootstraps and the now and HTMLs with some stylings to it, which are going to show using the main page. And these href tags or these index are given for grabbing the recipes and labeling them according to the calories and the recipe models and the recipe links, so that when you click on the recipe and they go to the uh, proprietary page in which you can view the whole recipe. And coming soon goes to the locations, and I have added Google assistants to it, like Google Maps, in which the restaurant route and the path is going to be shown. Coming to the TS page of this, using my and coming to the environments, I have to tell about my four. This is my form ID, Foursquare client ID, and Foursquare key, and this is the emblem ID and LM key, which are used in this project to just navigate through the APIs. Coming and seeing the recipes, TCS, this makes an this connection between this and the recipes dot components. Showing this is the CSS page in which I have created the variables for which the recipes have been positioned, the location of these positions and the venues. I mean, the restaurants nearby and their and the recipes links. And here goes the subscribe modules and all other stuff. Coming, so I have used the APIs over here, in which this calls the APIs, and this RE relevant is the API link, the recipe link. And this is my ID and the key, which takes us to the particular and shows us the particular site or the particular recipe using my APIs and keys. And the location of the restaurants have been shown over here as well. So coming to the other TS page, the most of the TS page are blank because I didn't put much of the TS page over here. The main TS page is over here, just creating minimum basic values, and have created minimum usage of TS connections and routings. So the output of this is almost like this is the home page where you get to when you just open the page. In this you can subscribe to my web page and for much more web APIs and all that. And next, when you get to the search recipes page, you have to enter a recipe name over here, like let me say something like burger or something. So when you click submit, it shows different kind of burgers that we have, like the different kind of recipes of burgers, and their calories are being also noted over here. And this might be some error of the calories being so precise of the decimal points and all. So whenever you click on the burger which you want to do, it takes to a page of that recipe page and just shows you the whole recipe how to make the burger, and you can come back to this later on. Let's see something about this, some restaurants nearby, maybe near New York. Let's find out. When you click submit over here, it just shows the restaurants in New York, but it doesn't link up with this. You can search both if you want at the same time. When you click submit, it shows both at the same times. And whenever you find the restaurant that you need, you just have to click on the navigation button over here. It just takes you to the Google API or the Google partnership that you have made. You can type on your address over here, or else you can just put some your location using your maps and all, and it shows. And I guess I have to travel 4 hours and 10 minutes to reach to the restaurant that we need over here. So this is the overall picture of my API using API web application using Angular APIs. And thank you.